Hi, Ben Cummins here, and today we're inside Golf Principle Studio. We've obviously got Trackman 4 down here, which is a fantastic bit of kit, and obviously for giving us distances, yardages. I'm going to take get a few little pitch shots here, and just some key considerations. So I'm going to hit a shot quickly, and we're just going to talk through what the data actually means. So what we've got there, we've got a little wedge shot, and you kind of great things, you're outside, you're seeing the ball flight, lovely, 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 but we actually want to know what's going on. So what we've got here is we've got some club head speed, 55 miles an hour into the ball speed. Smash factor is a conversion of club head speed into ball speed. Carry distance of 56 yards, total distance, how much spin we've got on the ball, what we're launching it at, dynamic loft, Obviously up the front here we've got angle of attack, club path, face angle, so face to path, lovely and neutral, how high a swing plane is, dynamic loft delivered by the club, and a fantastic piece which is on Trackman 4 and no other is the low point. And this tells us in the golf swing where the low point is. So if you imagine your bottom of your arc, this tells you 6.2 inches in front is an A. Obviously if you're behind pooper scooper as you would put it, it would be a B, and that kind of gives you different characteristics. So what we can do is if we're looking to change the angle of attack, increase speeds, higher hands, lower hands, and we'll see what happens there. So what I'm going to do now is just hit one with a low point and just try and make it less steep, less in front, and we'll kind of see what happens to the numbers. So obviously we can see there we've got a low point, which is obviously only 3.3 in front now. The spin rate, oddly enough, has actually come down. It's a little bit of a bottom strike. I've not got as much energy transfer, and the compression on the golf ball is actually gone. I've got a path which is more across it, with a bit of an open face, which then takes the smash factor off it as well. And different contrast of what feels like a good shot, and obviously that's gone not as far. So if you're someone who kind of struggles, and not so much a steep divot taker, but just the compression on the golf ball. And hit one more shot for you quickly. And this time I'm going to try and hit like a maximum kind of spinny shot. So that's me hitting a massive, massive spinny shot. Obviously you can see the club speed's gone up. I still only hit it 67 yards, so a little bit further than the first shot. The smash factor's down, although spin is massively up, and obviously smash factor's down. I've come across a little bit more open face, and obviously angle of attack was similar to the first shot, but the dynamic loft's obviously 52.4 as well, but it's got loads and loads of spin on it. If we jump into that first shot, we've got a dynamic loft of 44, second shot 49, shallower, and then finally me trying to spin it, 52.4. So obviously, even though I've got more dynamic loft delivered, but I'm still actually attacking down on the ball. Bit of a cross path, obviously, which takes the smash factor off, and obviously spins it up. But a couple of little things you can learn from Trackman. Fantastic bit of kit, obviously, as well as those numbers. We've also got all the extra ones here, which tells us how far right, left, the spin axis on the ball, the land angle, you name it, it's kind of all there. How long it was up in the air for, the height of the flight, maximum height of it in feet. It's a great, special driver and bits and pieces like that. It's absolutely fantastic. But obviously, as normal, any questions, Ben at bencumminsgolf.co.uk, or on Twitter, Ben Cummins Golf. Speak to you all again soon.